Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my Peachy Shaves unboxing. So this is a woman's razor subscription service, and I'm so excited about this. If you're familiar with me and my channel at all, you know I love subscription boxes, and I think a razor subscription is so genius and so perfect for someone like me, because I'm gonna be honest, I do not change my razor as often as I probably should. I also don't shave as much as I used to because I'm not really leaving the house. but even still, I hate buying razors. They're so expensive, so I honestly don't even remember the last time I bought a razor, which is bad. That just goes to show how bad I am at keeping up with replacing my razor. But so Peachy Shaves is the solution to that problem. So I'm gonna show you what you get in your subscription. And I'm not exactly calling it a monthly subscription because you can choose if you wanna get it monthly or bi-monthly, and it's only $10.99 with free shipping in the US. So thank you so much to Peachy Shaves for partnering with me on this video. I am so excited about this brand and so excited to show you what it is. So it comes beautifully packaged, and I love that it's in this little eco-friendly packaging that was actually just delivered right to my mailbox. And so we've got the Peachy Shaves razor heads right here, and you get 4 razor heads. That is a lot for only $10.99. And you have the weighted handle, which this has a really nice feel to it. I like the weight, and I love the color. I love the peach color, you know, just so on brand. And so I'm gonna just put one of these together. It does have the little cover on it, which is good for travel. Just snap that on, and I'm gonna be careful, but I wanna show you what the blade looks like. And oh, perfect, there's 4 blades on here, and it looks like there's a little moisture strip as well. So here is how this looks. This is exactly the type of razor that I like. I like for it to have the 4 blades and the moisture strip, and it also has the movement flexibility. So it seems really great, but I am gonna put this to the test. My legs really need to be shaved, so we're gonna try this out. But my first impression is I really like this. It kind of has that grippy plastic feel, and it's just really cute. So each month or each subscription, if you decide to do it bi-monthly, you would get 4 razor heads, and the handle comes free in your first month. And I love that they let you skip or cancel anytime. And now let's go put this to the test. All right, so here I am sitting in my shower. It would be nice if I had a bathtub for this, but let's try this out. All right, moment of truth. It seems great. Let's see if my leg is actually, oh my gosh, perfectly smooth. Well, I'm so excited about this. It works perfectly well. Not that I had any doubts, but oh my gosh, my leg is so perfectly smooth. Love this. You know, I should do this more often. I should shave my legs more often because this is amazing. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. If you're interested in signing up for your own Peachy Shaves subscription, I'll have that linked in the description down below. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.